Today we are making homemade Sazon seasoning. If you enjoy the flavors of Latin American and Caribbean cuisine, this is a spice blend that you want to have in your spice rack. So there are different ways that you can make Sazon seasoning, but this is my preferred blend and it's very easy. So we have 1 tablespoon of annatto, ground annatto, and a tablespoon of garlic powder. And we have a tablespoon of coriander, and a tablespoon of cumin. And we have 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, and a teaspoon of granulated onion, and you can also use powder. And here I have a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and you can use a ½ teaspoon if you want a little less spicy, or skip it for not too spicy version. And you can use paprika as well. And we have salt. I have about a ½ teaspoon of salt and a ½ teaspoon of black pepper. And you can make a salt-free version of this. You can skip the salt altogether and add the salt to your recipe as you're cooking it. But this is how I like to make mine. Set this aside and just mix it all together. All right, this is really easy to make, my friends, and it's a great way to spice up so many different recipes. Just get it nice and uniform. So that's it, guys. That's how you make homemade Sazon seasoning. Again, there are different ways to make it. For example, saffron is a real popular ingredient that I've seen in other blends, and it's actually really delicious, but it's pretty expensive and sometimes hard to find, but you can include it. But this is a nice, a real simple blend. It's just outstanding with flavor. It's actually pretty awesome for flavoring all kinds of dishes like arroz con pollo, pollo guisado, arroz con gandules. There's just all kinds of Latin American, Caribbean cuisine dishes. Spice up your black beans. You can use it in Mexican cooking as well. But that's it. I'd love to hear what you think. If you give it a try, let me know what you think of the flavors and what you're gonna make with it. So that's it. Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. I hope to see you in the kitchen next time. Thanks, bye.